Ever wonder what lights the fuse on the dynamite intensity of NHL playoffs? Picture this. The Boston Bruins, with an outstanding regular season under their belts, are locked in a fierce playoff battle against the Florida Panthers. The stage is set for a high-stakes confrontation, and the air is thick with anticipation. Both teams come into the game with something to prove, having faced off with mixed results in the past. The Bruins especially are on a mission to show that their record-setting season is no fluke. In the midst of this electric atmosphere, the game takes an unexpected turn. David Pastrnak, the Bruins star player, is not just there to score goals. After what appears to be a brief nod from Bruins coach Jim Montgomery, Pastrnak drops the gloves with Matthew Tkachuk, a renowned powerhouse forward for the Panthers. This isn't just a spontaneous clash, it's a calculated moment of bravery, showing Pastrnak's readiness to defend his team's honor and fight, quite literally, for their playoff life. Despite the Bruins' eventual loss in the game, the fight becomes a defining moment. Pastrnak's fearlessness resonates deeply with fans and teammates alike, reinforcing his loyalty and commitment to the team. Social media buzzes with clips and comments, applauding his gutsy decision. It's a vivid reminder that the NHL playoffs are not just about skill and strategy, but also about heart and grit. This altercation does more than just stir up excitement. It sends a clear message to both teams. For the Bruins, it's a display of unity and toughness, qualities essential in the grueling playoff journey. For the Panthers, it's a signal that the Bruins will not be easily intimidated. As the series progresses, this fight will undoubtedly linger in the minds of all players involved, potentially shaping the dynamics of future games. In conclusion, David Pastrnak's decision to engage with Matthew Tkachuk was not merely about settling personal scores. It was a strategic and emotional play that spoke volumes about his dedication to his team's cause in the playoffs. This moment, though just one in a series, encapsulates the essence of playoff hockey, where every shift counts, every hit is harder, and sometimes the gloves do come off.